Ashewo, awusha, Ashewo, awusha.
What's no be those Ashewo be that? Them I say they don't tell them they don't stand for there again. Ashewo know the year word. Near them, their cup don't full today.
Very good.
Oh, una wanna be? No worry, I'm go soon meet you now.
Sawa, le, Ashewo.
Solo? We'll see later. If we're good.
Ha! You gotta trust man. Calm down.
And then?
Your eyes will see what your mouth cannot talk. Customer, where I be now?
How much for the break?
I'm 25k.
Hey.
But I want personal. No love when I want to.
Yes.
And I be 100k, but I'll give you a discount. 5k, that's 95k.
I like meet better people like una.
Customer, I don't regret it, I promise.
I trust you. You're under arrest from state CID. They never want na more than they stand here. They never tell na more than they do a shout for here. Oh yeah, move it.
I'm sorry for all of you.
Oh yeah, enter.
Officer, no vex. If we settle this thing for here, we don't need to go station. I beg. And my first time with this. Okay, oh yeah. I go do all of una for free. Not for release me, I beg.
No worry, when you reach there, you go do one.
I don't dare, my friends.
Ashewo, awusha, Ashewo.
Babes, what's up? How far, babes? What's up now? Hi.
Madam, take am easy now.
Very well. You want to see crazy. It is in a play.
I want to go find food chop. You go chop.
If you buy for me now, I go chop.
Okay, I come.
Thank you.
Walked in this party and these girls looking at me. Skinny jeans on.
What thing they happen here now?
Come on, relax. Calm down. Our friend not follow you talk.
Nobody tell me anything.
You don't follow our reason. I say one package with you now. Normal level.
What do you mean by that?
Sorry, I know the package that kind of thing, I beg. Now who carry me call, now they follow package.
Alpha, you calm down.
Okay.
You don't tell and say we'll have something to join the money we'll give you tomorrow, yeah? See, now one just do. Just one. No problem.
Eh? Since where Ashewo begin they come they call the customer. I beg, come on your hands. In fact, come they go.
Sorry.
What for you?
Madam, why you dey short my money now? How much they give me?
Not be waiting we settle, not be I pay you.
You can't talk me down. Your friends will do me. Who go pay? They say they'll give money, give me now.
My friends do you. They not tell me say they do you. Go meet them, make you collect your money for their hand. Now the one when I do now I pay for. And as they come out, not thief anything, no.
Thunder fire you.
Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
These people don't like you. You're supposed to know them well, though.
If not be overdue, we're going to eventually put you for trouble.
Now wow. They don't knock me also free.